How to stop procrastinating and build better habits. Hey there! If you've ever struggled with procrastination or found yourself stuck in bad habits, you're not alone. We all do it. You sit down to work, but suddenly you're scrolling through your phone. You tell yourself, just 5 more minutes, and before you know it, hours have passed. But here's the good news. Procrastination and bad habits don't define you. You have the power to break free, build momentum, and take control of your life again. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to do just that. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have a new mindset and practical steps to turn things around. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments. What's the one habit or task you've been putting off the most? Let's help each other out. So why do we procrastinate? It's not because we're lazy. It's because our brains seek comfort and avoid discomfort. When something feels overwhelming, boring, or stressful, our minds trick us into seeking easy dopamine, like social media, gaming, or Netflix binges. But the thing is, procrastination only makes us feel worse in the long run. The more we avoid something, the bigger it feels, and the cycle repeats. Here's a powerful mindset shift. Instead of thinking, I have to do this, try saying, I get to do this. Shifting from obligation to opportunity makes a huge difference. Drop a comment below. What's one thing you know you need to do, but keep putting off? Bad habits sneak up on us. One late night turns into a week of bad sleep. One skipped workout turns into a month. One I'll do it later turns into never. But the great news, habits are just patterns, and patterns can be broken. Here's a quick formula to break a bad habit. Identify the trigger. What's causing the habit? Stress? Boredom? Avoidance? Replace, don't remove. If you just stop a habit without replacing it, your brain will crave the old pattern. Instead, swap it for something better. Example, instead of doom scrolling at night, read a few pages of a book. Make it hard to fail. If you want to break a habit, put obstacles in the way. If you want to stop wasting time on social media, delete the apps from your phone. If you want to wake up early, put your alarm across the room. What's one habit you want to break? Let me know in the comments. One of the best ways to beat procrastination is using the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you only have to do something for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Once you start, you'll usually keep going. Action beats motivation. Waiting until you feel like it is a trap. The truth is, action creates motivation, not the other way around. Try this, period. The next time you feel stuck, set a timer for 5 minutes and start. Good habits don't just happen. They're built. Start small. Instead of saying, I'm going to work out for an hour every day, start with 5 to 10 minutes. Instead of saying, I'll wake up at 5 a.m., start by waking up 15 minutes earlier than usual. Here are 3 golden rules for building better habits. Make it easy. Start small. Build confidence. Make it rewarding. Track progress. Celebrate wins. Make it automatic. Attach new habits to existing ones. Example, after I brush my teeth, I'll meditate for 2 minutes. What's one small habit you want to build? Let's create accountability in the comments. Remember, you are not your bad habits, and procrastination doesn't control you. Every small step you take today builds momentum for a better tomorrow. Start now. Start small, but just start. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. What's your next step to beating procrastination? Let's support each other in making real change. You've got this. See you in the next video.